In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in ClickUp, an invaluable tool for those unexpected moments when things don't go exactly as planned. We'll walk through the steps together so you can confidently recover any accidental deletions with ease. To start our journey into mastering the undo function in ClickUp, the first step is to log in to ClickUp with your credentials. Once you're logged in, make your way to List, Project 1, or Test's Workspace, or the desired project where you wish to perform the undo action. It's essential to be on the correct workspace, as this will ensure that you're working on the tasks you want to manage. Now, within the chosen workspace, take a moment to locate the specific task you want to work with. In this demo, we will focus on deleting a task with the intention to later undo this deletion. Navigate through your list to find that task. Clicking on a task will typically reveal more details, making it easier for you to manage it. With the task selected and ready for the next action, look for the delete icon, typically represented by a trash can symbol. Clicking on this icon will prompt a confirmation or immediate deletion of the task, depending on the workspace settings. Ensure that you are sure about this action, as the next step will guide you on undoing it if it's done by mistake. After you've deleted the task, the magic of undoing comes into play. At this point, simply press the keys Ctrl and Z simultaneously on your keyboard. This is the universal command for undo in many applications, including ClickUp. Voila! Your task should reappear just as it was before the deletion, as if it never left your workspace. Now, it's worth remembering a few helpful tips to make the most of this feature. The undo function is time-sensitive, meaning that you're most likely to succeed if you activate it immediately after the unwanted action. Therefore, try to review your workspace promptly after deletions, allowing you to undo promptly if needed. Additionally, frequent backups and checks can go a long way in safeguarding your projects. Getting into the habit of reviewing tasks after making any major changes can prevent many potential headaches in the future. In conclusion, understanding how to effectively undo in ClickUp can save you time and preserve your sanity during critical project management tasks. By logging in, navigating to the right workspace, selecting the task, and using the Ctrl+Z command, you're equipped with the power to manage and reverse changes effortlessly. Thank you for joining me on this ClickUp journey. I hope you feel more confident in managing your projects.